This is the 5 top reasons why people absolutely fail on Amazon. Over the past 3 years, I've had the opportunity to coach over 2,100 different sellers on how to sell wholesale on Amazon. Myself, I've sold multiple 7 figures in products over the last 5 years. And these are the 5 most common things that I see that people who are not successful do and incorporate inside their businesses. All right, let's dive into it. So, what are the different reasons why you might fail when it comes to Amazon? So the number one thing is it all truly starts with the right mindset. Now I know you come here to learn about Amazon and you're here to learn about building a business on the platform, but any great entrepreneur will tell you that having the right mindset first will take you further than anything else in this business. Too many people come in wanting to make $500, $1,000 and be happy with that, when in reality, what you want to build is something that can give you freedom, that can buy you back your time and support you financially to do the things that you love most in life, right? Well, in order to do that, you have to set up the foundations that are gonna allow you to see success down the line. You wanna create a business that's going to take time and you're gonna need to build up momentum in order to properly do this. And once you create these systems and these foundations, you're able to continue to work those. And this is gonna be a business that can help to support you, your goals and your dreams for a long time to come. The next thing is just flat out the wrong strategy. There are so many people out there that are teaching how to sell on Amazon, talking about Amazon being saturated, talking about the strategy that they use to avoid all of their competition, when in reality, what we teach here at Marketplace Superheroes is a very simple, proven strategy that hundreds of people have used over the last number of years and have seen massive success with it. Now, these tried and true strategies are all about going and seeing what already works on the platform and replicating the success of others. If there's others doing it and making profits and being successful with it, then you can too. In this business, it all starts with finding a supplier for your product, going and allowing those suppliers to tell you what products they have. Then all you're gonna do is match that up to the products that you already have and see on Amazon and just see which ones sell well and can make you a profit. The number 3 method that I see people failing with all the time is only selling the hot selling products. So selling the top 100 products on Amazon, selling things like fidget spinners, hoverboards, or whatever the next fad is. The problem with these products is while you can potentially make money for a short period of time, in the long term, you're not gonna be able to sustainably build a business off of this because there are gonna be so many fluctuations in price, in competition, that it just becomes too unpredictable. And even if you can make money for a very short period of time, it's not something that can be relied on, which is really what we want in business. Another thing that I see people talking about and doing is only focusing on the smallest, the lightest, and most expensive items. While this can be true that these are the easiest items to ship, cost the least in fees and shipping costs, they're generally the items that have the most amount of competition because everybody is thinking in the exact same way. Instead, allow your suppliers to tell you what great products they have. Don't choose products by their physical attributes, and instead allow data and numbers to tell you which products sell well and which products are ultimately going to make you money. And the last and probably the most critical thing is having the wrong research process. By not having a good process to follow, everything else that I talked about won't even matter. You'll never actually even get your business off the ground. It's really important that you understand how the business model works, how to find suppliers for your products, and ultimately how to determine which are the best cream of the crop items. And once you hone this incredibly important skill in, and the products that you purchase are of quality, sell well, and also make you money, this is like a license to print money whenever it comes to building this type of business. It's arguably the number one skill that you can learn, build, and apply to this business in order to see success. So it's extremely important Whether you're gonna join something like Marketplace Superheroes or another strategy that you're gonna use over time, that you get the right product research process in place so that you can not only see success once, but you can replicate that success and build skills that you can rely on for a long time to come. That's it for this video. Thanks so much. If you want more great videos like this, make sure that you're subscribed to the channel. If you could do me that little favor and make sure you're smashing that like button so we could tell this to the most amount of people possible and the algorithm pushes this out, it would be greatly appreciated. We'll see you in the next video.